I'm going to teach you how to get Linux on Windows in 5 steps. Let's get to it. Step 1 is going to be opening up Windows PowerShell, which you can do by simply going to the Start menu and typing it in. We're also going to be making sure that we open up in admin mode by clicking here. Step 2 is going to be enabling WSL, or Windows Subsystem for Linux. It's super easy, and all we have to do is type WSL --install. Press enter, and it'll take a while, so in the meantime, hit the like button. And after all your hard-fought patience, we'll restart our computer to finalize that WSL is installed. Step 3 is going to be opening Ubuntu, which can be found in the Microsoft Store, and simply click Install. After that, you can easily find it in the Start menu by typing it in. Let's open Ubuntu now, and after opening it, we'll be at Step 4, which is creating a Unix account. So I'll just log in with my name and throw in a strong password here. After that is Step 5, which actually isn't much of a step, so you're actually all done. Good job! This step is simply a little bit of knowledge where you can see the rest of your Windows files by entering our mount directory, or /mnt/, and then the rest of your drives will appear. And that's it. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!